guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a life as a slime scammer skit. And if you guys don't know what a skit is fake, so this is fake. Let's get started. Oh God, who's this random girl texting me? I'm sorry for the phone. Oh my God. Her name is Juliana. Okay. She wants a lot of stuff. Okay, let's see till the end here. Okay, here it is. Okay. That is a lot of slime. Okay. So, the first slime she wants is a pink, purple, or yellow slime. Okay. Actually, I have a light purple slime. I don't have a pink slime. But I have an orange slime. So purple, pink, and yellow. So I have a yellow slime right here. Okay, let's test these out. Okay, so let's see. What am I doing? Okay. Oh God, sorry guys. I'm trying to scooch all my slimes over. Okay, so first slime is my yellow slime. Oh wow, this one is too good for her. She thinks she's like the slime queen. No, this is too good for her. But it's perfect for me. Look at this swirl. And plus, it's kind of sticky, so like, I definitely don't think that she deserves this. So I'll just, that's my phone. I'll just keep this for myself. Next one is orange. I did the orange instead of the pink. Just put it right there. Oh, wow. That's way too good for her, too. Oh my God, this one's so good. I cannot give her this one. Oh my God, these are too good. Let's try the last one, which is the purple one. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I have a runny nose. Okay, so. Oh my God, this is such a nice butter slime, but it's like not really that buttery. Okay, I definitely think I'm gonna give her my yellow one because this one is not really buttery, but it's still my favorite. So I'm gonna give her the yellow one. So definitely gonna give her the yellow one because I just think that the yellow one is better for her. So where can I put this? Okay, I'll put it in here. Okay, next one she wanted was a Christmas tree one. I have this candy cane one that I made for my little cousin, and she still wants it because I haven't saw her in a long time, and she still really wants it, so I can't give this one away, but I can make a Christmas tree slime for her. So I can take my red slime and my green slime, and I can make like a little swirl for her, and I have to get an extra container quickly. Boom. So I got an extra container. It says stargazing slime, but it's really not. So I'll just like rip that slime off. Because that's not real. Okay. And then there's like still like a little bit of slime at the top. So I'm just gonna take this off with the... Okay. Boom. And I'm just gonna throw that in the garbage. Ew, it's so disgusting. Okay. Anyways, so let's put the container right here. Okay, so now time to make the slime smoothie or slime swirl. Oh my God, this already has red in it. Okay, and this one was made, this one's a butter slime, so is this one, so that's perfect. And this one is made out of clear glue, but this one's made out of white glue. So let's just rip off a little piece. Oh, shoot. one away. And then we're gonna get a little piece out of this one. This one's super nice. I definitely think that Juliana is definitely going overboard because she just loves slime, and she's not the queen of slime hearts. She is not the queen of slime. So here's the slime. Okay, just keep it in that little line. Here's the red slime. Time to mix. Okay, perfect. Here it is. And I'm just gonna plop it right in the container. Well, now it's Juliana's, but okay. So I gave her 2 slimes so far. So now let's get on to the last 2. So the next one she wants is a blue slime. So I'm gonna look for my blue slimes. Okay, let's see. Okay, these are the only ones I have. So this one is like a teal one, but it's still close to blue, if you guys can't really see that. And then this one is a blue butter slime. So yeah, let's test these out. So the first one I have here is just a regular tealish, bluish slime. And I always put a little bit of Deso clay in each of my slimes. Just like a tad, like a tablespoon. Literally, it's not a lot. I mean, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. Because literally, it's not a lot at all. I just add a little bit just to make it that really nice texture. So yeah, this one's way too nice, and I can't get this one away. And if I had to give this one away, I would give her a little one, like a little piece. So I don't know if the blue one's, the real blue one's gonna be better, so we'll see. Oh God, that's really good. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'm going on second dibs, second chances and stuff. So maybe I really don't really like this one anymore. I think I'm gonna give this one away. But I'm only gonna give her a little piece. So go ahead and put that away. So let's put this right here. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna give her the whole thing. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm ready. So I give her 1, 2, 3, 3 slimes so far. And then the last one she wants is the brown chocolate mousse slime. Or she also wants another yellow slime. Oopsies, I just dropped my phone. Fragile. I do have a brown chocolate mousse slime. And I don't have another yellow slime, but I have this really nice green one. So let's just test these out. So here's the chocolate mousse. And I'm guessing this one's a butter. Yep. Wow. This one is good. This one is too good for her. And like I said, Juliana is like the queen of slime hearts. So yeah, definitely thinking not giving this one away. So yeah, I'll just keep this one for myself. Okay. Next one, which is my big purple, not my big purple, my big green one. And it has purple sparkles inside of it. Oh my God. Okay, this one is a good one. This one is a good one for sure. I don't think that I'm gonna give this one away. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this is the last order. Wow. I cannot give this away. Okay, So I'm definitely thinking that I'm gonna give my chocolate mousse one away. Let's just put that one back, because it's way too good for her. And I'm gonna give her my chocolate mousse. So here's all the slime that she wants. So she got her Christmas tree slime. She got her chocolate mousse, her blueberry slime, like her blue one, and her yellow one. So I'm just gonna go mail these to her. And yeah. So that was all for today's video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. And if you do turn on my post notifications, I will write back to you guys, and I will also link a few other videos similar to this one, like my squishy scam and stuff like that, in the description below. So if you guys want to see those, make sure you turn on my post notifications and look down in the description to see if you can find it or the videos that I'll be sending. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!